first we do some shopping. We're gonna eat in there if we find our way back, but we need to buy some fruit and veggies. What do we need today?
Of course, the mangoes.
The mangoes.
But then we have our mango lady.
Yeah.
Maybe some dragon fruit.
Skip a banana and go for the mango. I love the dragon fruit. That's a small one. 3 pieces, 10 ringgit. But we have to find some nice. Want the big ones. And here we got the durian. Udang merah. That's 3 pieces 10 ringgit, but they are super small. So maybe we just should go for the yeah. Maybe they're off season. I don't know. 1 kilo 5 ringgits. Yeah. Yeah, but like I said, maybe we should take a grab home. Yeah, it's a really packed place. But today we don't run around, we will just buy what we need. And the princess, or the queen, she says mango and some other things, and then we go for that.
Money nih, hello friend.
Hello.
Dragon fruit.
Merah?
Merah.
Ah, okay, no. No. Yeah, the dragon fruit, the red one, it goes on my stomach a little bit. I don't know why. So I can only eat the white one, and I really don't know why. Huh? He's here. No mango. There.
You passed it.
Here she is.
3 kilo. 5 kilo.
Ya, ini
3 kilo.
3 kilo juga.
The good ones.
Sweet.
Ini today you want it pieces?
Yeah. Dua.
Ini mau makan 2.
Best mango lady.
Manga. Oh. Crushed one.
Mangga susu.
Ya, mangga susu.
Mangga
Lemak manis.
Mangga manis.
Lemak manis.
Lemak manis. Lemak manis. Manis is sweet.
Manis is sweet. Yeah.
This today.
Yeah, perfect. Should we do a taste test today?
Yeah.
Because we have the snake fruits, we have those, and we got the name? Longan. Or should we do that later this week?
We do that later this week.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want ripe or raw?
Huh?
Ripe one or strong or soft?
Same. Today, tomorrow. Yeah.
Today how many pieces? Today how many pieces?
2. Yeah, 2, 3. It depends on the size. Yeah.
Some of them are really small. And
Yeah.
some of them are big.
Ya, 4 ringgit.
Because I think we have to do a little bit of a taste testing, a little bit of a rambutan, snake fruit, the jello. I don't remember the name of those either. But we had tried them all. But
Yeah. But we have fruit in here that we haven't tried either. So I want to...
What haven't we tried?
That one, that and over there. Beside the longa.
Pisang.
Not the pisang.
No.
The with the med taggarna på.
Yeah. Maybe.
Jesus, we just have one bag.
Yeah.
6 kilos of
Now
mango.
we take a rest out here with the lunch.
Yeah. Manga susu. Manga susu. And upon something manis. I already forget.
Yeah.
I already forgot.
Long time manis.
Long time manis.
No.
Ini for today.
Yeah, perfect. Terima kasih, madam.
12, 20, 30.
Perfect. 11.
Sablas.
18 ringgit balas.
Oh, perfect.
Thank you.
Terima kasih. See you. Hello. Oh. And now we go for lunch.
Yeah.
Lychee. But it would be fun if you buy 2, 3, 4 different fruits. Like the longan and everything.
Just walk in here and just
Cannot.
Buka biar kakak. Ini belakang buka, saya mau.
Yeah.
Ya, di Musangki. Ya, yes. Belakang, ma'am.
Sedap.
Very good one. Hello, Kale. The very good one. Three fish again.
putih, merah,
Yeah, yeah, so white color.
merah.
Okay. Even the matsalis are flocking in here. That's nice. Campur. Yeah, we skip. Skip banana. Yeah. I love grapes. So sweet, like candy.
I like those really dark blue ones.
Yeah. And now, Maka, my friends. What do they have for goodies for today? We don't have. Selamat pagi. Hello, welcome back. Yeah. Oh, which one? Oh, ayam curry I want. Makan. Ya, nasi putih 2. I got the ulams.
Cukup?
Perfect. And madam?
Perfect. That's good.
Yeah. Good.
No more.
Huh?
I'm fat.
Oh.
What do you want?
Oh, but I'm.
Oh, Lumpur.
Air.
TOS kosong.
TOS kosong.
Este Tawan.
ST Tawan. 2 ST Tawan.
ST kosong jangan 2.
Ah,
ST kosong.
ST Tawan. Ya.
Bule want.
You want chicken?
I want the chicken curry.
Chicken gulai. Ayam gulai.
Which one do I want? I want that one. That says Dan all over. Look. Oh.
I'm very tempted to do the same then.
Sedap.
I'm so tempted to do exactly the same.
And I want the sayur. Look at this. Sayur, my friends.
Daging? Daging?
Daging.
Daging.
Yeah.
Yeah? Beef.
This one. This one. Mangkok.
Yeah.
Cakwe.
Yeah.
Cakwe.
Perfect, perfect. Good, good.
Wait, sebentar tu.
Nice.
Nice.
Sayur or ulam?
Sayur ulam sini.
Ulam.
You go ulam.
Goreng ada sana.
Huh?
I want ulam.
Ulam.
Take to me, Mimi.
I think that one's you.
Okay.
Terima kasih, Malang. Oh. Oh. Sedap?
Sedap.
Ah, good. Sedap gila? Ah.
Dia sudah pandai cakap Melayu. Dia versi Jawa, versi Melayu dah pandai dia.
Sedap gila?
Kira-kira.
Of course.
Nah, Paula.
Kipas.
Sudah kira.
Duduk. Dapat on.
Kasih si tak kau ya tu ni. Orang tahu rene pelajar. Tak boleh.
betul tu kipasnya itu.
Cannot. Big boss can.
Oh, no.
Ah.
No, there are two big bosses.
Oh. Oh, nice. Oh, terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Oh.
Nah, tak kayak dua, naik ni dua lah.
Thank you.
I jump beside you.
You jump in here.
Enak ya? Enak.
Ah.
Enak.
Dan enak. Dan enak.
Yeah.
Ah.
You suka makan Indonesia punya?
Siki bahasa. And the price was 23 ringgits. Is that good price? Bad price. Good price.
Dua siga.
Dua siga.
Dua siga.
Ah.
Do I have? No, I don't have anything behind me. Oh.
You ice kosong or este tawan?
Este Tawan. Este kosong.
Ah.
Oh.
Nama sini. Dia kan
I got the biggest spoon.
siapa nama you?
Selamat pagi YouTube.
Nasi cun sendak.
Huh?
Sendak.
Senda?
Ini sepuluh sendak.
Yeah, big. Oh my God.
Biasa.
Biasa. Ah,
Okay, nice.
nice. Beautiful. Panas. Thumbnail.
Basuh satu. Oh, tak nak.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh.
Kosong lah. Kosong tapi bungkus.
Bungkus. Oh. Sayur. Oh. And the curry a little bit thick in it. Huh?
Huh? And I have beef.
Good.
Oh, this beef is gonna be good for my knees.
It's a fatty beef.
And you know what that means? Fatty beef, good knees.
Goes directly to the knees.
Yeah.
And the ayam, how was it?
Yeah.
Curry ayam. Sedap.
Sangat sedap.
Have a gurkha.
Why we didn't take any?
No,
Vi har fått sayur.
we share. We share.
I didn't take so much.
No.
it wasn't. I could take another plate. I forgot.
Ulam, no, sayur.
Sayur. And too bad for all of you in the camera, because you can see behind the camera.
No.
Huh?
We have a live show behind.
No. Like our audience.
Bakso siapa ya? Ada minta bakso kan bungkus.
No. Do you see napkins anywhere? Is it napkins in that one?
Bagas.
I think so.
Ini
Maybe. I can look.
Can you?
tambah bakso.
Bag full of napkins. Perfect. Thank you. If you're ever
soon.
looking for the napkins, look at the poles.
Yeah.
They are hanging. If they are not on the...
And they have this green Boston gurka here. I really like that. With sambal.
The green Boston gurka. The Boston cucumber.
That's a little bit of my favorite sambal, to be honest. I really like it.
But I like this curry.
I get a piece of fat. Thank you.
That was the meatiest one I had on my plate.
Yes.
Sedap.
Best.
So much people.
Best.
So much people.
Mantap.
Mantap. Mantap.
Bola. Bola in Indonesia is the same as matsalas.
No, it is.
Huh?
No.
Now I'm just dripping in sweat. I have a double fan and I'm sweating still.
It's no breeze in here whatsoever.
No.
Except for the fan.
Yeah.
It's just standing still and it's like something is boiling behind me.
Yeah. And we have not.
Oh, that sound from those grapes.
And funny, she knows the name of the channel and she only remember Anna. That I thought was very nice. Because she said something Anna.
Huh?
No.
Because your name, Dan, is a word and in English.
Yeah.
In Malay, Dan means and.
Yeah. So and Anna.
Yeah. Oh. That was 100% fat.
And the sambal was delicious.
But this curry, I don't need any sambal to this curry.
No, there's a kick into it.
It's really, really nice curry. Before I had a big problem of eating, well, before we begin to travel in Asia, I have a big problem of eating too much fat and tendon and so on. But now I know everyone thank you for helping me out. It's good for your body. So I have learned. So now I eat everything.
I just shove it in, my friends. fat or bone or just shove it in.